Hello, I'm Mama's son, Adam, and we're going to do a quick little story by Mama.
Bedtime story.
Yeah, bedtime story. Mama, will you now give me the honors? We need to see Mama, so I have to hold the camera. And here's Mama. What's the story we're reading, Mama?
Yummy Yucky by Leslie Perticilli.
Okay, we should get on this book.
Yes, we are. Spaghetti is yummy. Worms are yucky.
Ooh, I love spaghetti. Do you like worms? I don't think you
Blueberries are yummy. Blue crayons are yucky.
Do you like blue crayons, Mama?
Soup is yummy. No. Soap is yucky.
You can clean with it, but no, eat it.
Sandwiches are yummy. Sand is yucky. Crunch, crunch.
Sorry.
Please. Mommy's cookies are yummy. Mommy's coffee is yucky. Chocolate sauce is yummy. Hot sauce is yucky. Apple pie is yummy. Mud pie is yucky. Burgers are yummy. Boogers are yucky. Eggs are yummy. Earwax is altogether
Yucky!
Fish sticks are yummy. Fish food is
Yucky! This is fun.
Ice cream is yummy. Too much ice cream is
Yucky! Bleh.
More yummy things. Pizza, banana, milk, toast, cheese, cupcake, peach, and chicken.
That must be
More
yummy.
yucky things. The last page of the book, everybody. Are you ready?
Ready, Mama.
Garbage, dog food, apple core, kitty, litter, dish soap, toilet paper, stinky sock, and centipede. The end. Yummy Yucky was our bedtime story for tonight. Join us again, and maybe Adam will read another book written by Leslie Perticilli. Whatever his last name.
Until then, have a good night.
Good night.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Now, you can turn off the camera.